Hello everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. If you're not new, hey, what's up? How you doing? Okay. So what I'm doing here is doing the ball cap method. I'm, of course, cutting out the ears. Not the ears, but the ears section, but whatever. And then the way I do my ball cap is I like to use the Got to Be clear gel, and I just use that to outline the hairline because I feel like doing it this way is a lot less messy than just using the freeze spray. But I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to use the freeze spray. So I'm doing one layer of gel and one layer of freeze spray, and then I'm going to let it dry. You can speed up by using a blow dryer, or you can just let it air dry. It's all up to you. It's the same thing, so it doesn't really matter. So once that is dry, you just want to carefully cut off the excess cap. I like to use razor comb. You can use scissors if you like. And the great part about this method to me is that it has way less lifting than if you were just to use the freeze spray alone. The gel really reinforces the cap so that it's really beginner friendly. So off camera, I did put on 3 layers of bold hold on her, and today we're working with a very fiery fall hair color. It's super cute. This was 613 hair dyed to this color. And then I'm just placing the hair onto the glue carefully. The lace has already been cut because this is a reinstallation. And I'm just going to place that there, and then I'm going to use an elastic band to secure the lace and melt it into the skin. Y'all, please don't mind me here. I was just jamming to a good song. But you do want to let that sit for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, y'all, so after that's set for a little bit, you do want to take it off carefully because this can pop you in the eye. So now I'm just going to be sectioning off some hair in the front to create some baby hairs because this hair did not have any at first, and I just want to give her a little extra something because that's what she wanted. So I'm just going to be eyeing it and seeing where I want the baby hairs to fall and where she's okay with it to be. And you could really put them anywhere, it's all up to you, but this is how she wanted it, so I'm just sectioning it out here. Okay, so the baby hairs are cut, And I'm just using the black Gots to Be gel bottle and an edge brush, and I'm just going to be swooping the hair into place. If you want to know how I swoop my baby hairs, then do check out my last video on my closure bob wig, because I did explain it in that video. But you can use gel, edge control, hairspray, like really anything. It's just all up to preference. And now I'm just going in with my hot comb to further flatten out the top of her hair. And as you can see, using the gel for the baby hairs cuts out like drying time. You can wrap them up still, but it's quite unnecessary. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, if you're feeling this hair color, because I most definitely am feeling this hair color for fall. Like, it's just so, it screams fall. It's ridiculous. So don't forget to leave a comment down below if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon while you're at it. Okay? This is the finished look, guys. Sis slaying with this hair color, y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to tune in for the next one, and I'll see you. Bye.